Best Mamaearth products. Number 5. Mamaearth Bridal Facial Kit. Approx price 822 rupees. Removes tan. Promotes even skin tone. Gives your skin a glow. Made with natural ingredients. Suitable for all skin types. Number 4. Mamaearth Hydra Gel Indian Sunscreen SPF 50. Approx price 338 rupees. Protects against UVA and B rays. Non-sticky and lightweight formula. Provides hydration. Made with natural ingredients. Suitable for all skin types. Number 3. Mamaearth Skin Illuminate Vitamin C Face Serum. Approx price 508 rupees. Highly protein vitamin C. Gives your face a radiant glow. Firms and reduces fine lines. Made with natural ingredients. Suitable for all skin types. Number 2. Mamaearth Onion Hair Oil for hair growth and hair fall control with Radiancy 150 ml. Approx price 338 rupees. Boosts hair growth. Adds strength and shine. Nourishes scalp. Safe for chemically treated hair. Natural and toxin free. Number 1. Mamaearth Uptan Natural Face Wash for all skin type. Approx price 211 rupees. Uncovers skin's natural brightness, removing all sign of tan. Licorice helps repair the sun damage. It makes the skin smooth and refreshed. Turmeric, rich and antioxidant, protects the skin cells from free radical damage. Asia's first made safe certified brand. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.